Hi, we have lesson number 16, verbal expressions, equations, and inequalities. And this lesson can be difficult, especially if you don't know these terms. If we don't know these terms, this lesson is pretty much impossible. But I think if you can learn these terms and learn a couple other little tricks, I think you're going to find out that this particular lesson can be actually pretty easy. So let's go through these real quick and we'll kind of figure out what's going on. I have a column of numbers. These numbers are associated either with addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So, for example, more than either means add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So we're going to go ahead and connect each of these phrases or words with one of the operations in algebra. And then we'll worry about these over here. So more than means add. So if I said 5 more than your age, I would take your age and add 5. Let's see, if more than means add, less than means subtract. You've probably heard of the word product before. But product, if you don't remember it, product is multiplication. Quotient is divide. Sum, that's add. Total is add as well. Difference is subtract. Increase is add. Decrease is subtract. So we're going to use those in just a bit. All right, now, there's 3 other phrases or words that we have to worry about. Is simply equal sign when you see that. But if you see is connected with greater than, then it's like an inequality greater than. Same thing if you see is connected with less than. That means a less than sign, like an alligator sign. So these are inequalities. And this guy is an equality. All right, there's one other term that I didn't have down originally, and that would be twice. Twice means 2 times. So if I said twice your age, if you're 5 and you said twice your age, 5 times 2, and that would be 10. Okay, now we're going to take these and connect them to these 6 problems, or these 6 sentences. So we're going to basically write out what this means. And so this is like a verbal expression, and we're going to translate that to an algebraic expression. So 9 more than a number. The way to do this that I find it's easiest, I guess the easiest way that I find to do this is to find the key words or key phrases. More than, for example, more than is a key phrase. And I go back up here and I see more than is addition. So I just kind of put addition right there. And then I go through and I fill in the rest. So 9 is just 9. So 9 plus, and a number I can call x. So this one's going to be 9 plus x. So that's 9 more than a number. The trick is to find the key words. So next one, number 2, 9 less than a number. So the key word or key phrase is less than. And so I put less than minus, that's from up here. And then this, I'm going to circle this guy. I'll put a star next to this one. This is kind of the exception. Usually, if 9's written first, we write the 9 first. If it says the number's written last. You know, if the number's written last, we write the x last. When you're dealing with less than, everything's flip-flopped. So the number comes first, and the 9 comes second. So 9 less than a number, you have to actually take the number and subtract off 9. So this one's going to be x minus 9. Here's the next one, number 3. The quotient of a number. So quotient is the key word. From up above, quotient means divide. So I'm going to do divide. And then what am I dividing? What 2 things am I dividing? It's a number and 5. So, you know, you can write the quotient here, the divide, or it kind of almost serves as like the and sign. So there's the number, and there's the 5. So number, quotient 5. So it'll be x divided by 5. Here's the next one. Difference is my keyword. So difference, like quotient was connected to the and here. Difference is connected to the and. Difference from above. Difference is the negative. So I'll put the minus sign and just carry them down. So here's the 10 and there's the number. So it's going to be 10 minus x. Here's the next one. Increased and is. 2 of them. So increased from up above is positive. Is was an equal sign. So increase is positive. Is equals. And so a number is x. There's the 5. And there's a 7. So it's x plus 5 equals 7. Okay, and the last one. Product is a keyword. Is, now notice this got connected. It's connected with the is greater than. So this is all together. So product is going to go with the and. So that means multiplication. Is greater than is this one. That's the alligator. So 5, a number, and then 6. So if we were to put it all together, 5 times x, that's a better way of showing it, and then greater than 6. There it is. That's lesson number 16. Good luck on your homework.